welcome back to another video. As usual, doing the same action again because we're going Planespotting again. Owen, you finally arrived! You're early today. Is Michael and Andy coming? Yeah. Good riddance.
Slow pokes, eh?
Yeah, they've just arrived because Michael's driving. Michael's usually late anyway. By the way, Michael drove Andy from his house to here. He picked him up. What kind of men they are. Hello, guys! This time we're getting off at Rathles Station. Alright guys, we're now walking to Maybury Road to catch our X18 to Rathles Station. Enjoy this mini video when we get to Rathles Station.
Singles is basically that much.
This is 2 weeks February.
Last time we got the
lunchtime.
Thank you. So guys, we're now here at Rathles Station. So it's time to cross the bridge and go Planespotting. Are you excited, Owen?
Yeah.
Okay guys, onto the bridge we go! Yay! There's Andy and Michael! Hi guys! We can see you! There they are, walking up there! And then we'll see them up here, going up the stairs.
There's a 747 from Inverkeithing to the airport.
Yeah, and for Keithing, there they come. And now they're coming up down here. And there they are.
Like, look at us, we're massive.
50527. I've been on that on last Saturday, going to Glasgow to see my family.
9 seconds. Is there any buses?
Alright, the Qatar Airbus A350-900 is taking off to Doha now.
Here is the A350.
Our first plane of the day. You can see the wheels going in. That's very cool. It says Qatar on the back. There it goes, and a lovely takeoff. There it goes off to Doha.
That was so cool.
Yeah, it
I
was
think
one.
this is a perfect spot.
Well, it's just a tiny bit more down, I think. Winchborough. Alright, taking off now. It says on Flight Radar 24 there's an Airbus A320-200 which is flying to London Stansted on the flight EZY96VV. There it goes. And I've got. There it goes off to London Stansted. The home of Ryanair's off to. Oh, home of Ryanair's. Okay, arriving and now we've got an Aer Lingus ATR 72 coming from Dublin in Ireland. And it's so tiny, the ATR 72s, aren't they? But I'll put all the info in the description down below. But anyways, I'm gonna just walk a little bit faster just so you can see a closer view of it. If we see it, there it is, the Aer Lingus ATR 72 coming in from Dublin in a nice special new livery, I think. It's not a special livery, but it's a new livery. I know that. It's actually the same livery. I thought it was new, but it's actually the same livery.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, where's Fancy Logan here?
Up here, Owen.
Oh wait, what's that?
Aer Lingus.
Yeah. Let me check.
Okay, check. I'm going up here. Okay, guys, we've now arrived at the Planespotting bit. We've got EasyJet taking off. Where's it going to? It's going to Basel, Owen.
Yep.
It's an Airbus A320-200 again.
It's an Airbus 320
And there it is off to the sky.
from
It's going from Edinburgh to Basel, yes. There it goes. Off to Basel. It looks so tiny. Sorry, that plane was an Airbus A319 off to Belfast. There comes the Basel one. Brilliant! There's an Airbus A320 Neo on the runway heading off to Basel.
there's the Dublin plane.
Yeah, the Dublin plane's already arrived, Owen. But this is a special Neo plane. Very rare to see taking off to Basel. Yeah. Alright guys, the plane is taking off now. It's a very, very rare plane to see, the Neo. I'm definitely going to get the brilliant shot of that. I'm going to actually move it down a bit, just so I can get the best shot in the world. Let me try. Not a very good shot though, because the plane is outside. There is the Neo. Couldn't get a good picture of that, but that's the Airbus A320 Neo and the Neo livery taking off to Basel. Very rare. Next up to land, we've got a Ryanair Boeing 737-800, which is coming in from Dublin.
I have to put this. I have to post it.
Well, there goes. Well, there's a Ryanair 737 landing in from
Here
Dublin.
is the Ryanair 737 coming in from
Dublin.
Dublin. There's already been a Dublin plane. Why is there another Dublin plane?
Just because it's a different airline. EasyJet and Ryanair go to Belfast International. Aer Lingus goes to Belfast City and Dublin, and so does Ryanair.
There's
There it is.
Oh wait, what is that?
Okay, check on flight radar when this plane is done taxiing.
Alright, that's it. It's text. Alright.
But
There's another plane coming in. It's an A320 200, and it's coming from Copenhagen to Edinburgh, and it's like basically over there.
yeah, the LNER over there is just passing from King's Cross to Aberdeen. Is that on time? Probably yes. And here comes EasyJet's Airbus A320-200 landing from Copenhagen. Copenhagen, I think.
Oh, Copenhagen from Copenhagen to Edinburgh. So it's Airbus A320-200.
Yes.
And there's the Logan Air just waiting.
That's about to go on the runway and wait for takeoff.
I can't believe there's two planes landing like right at the same time. What the? Look up! Look behind you! Look up!
Logan Air, time for you to take off! Go, go, go! Go, go, go!
Wait a sec, we're fine, we're fine. Helicopter, helicopter!
This plane is going to start on the way.
Yeah, and look, you can actually see a helicopter.
It's an Embraer RG145.
Helicopter. Wait, look, helicopter, helicopter.
I know. But the Embraer RG145 is now taking off.
Yeah, but I'm gonna
To
wait.
Stornoway.
I'm just waiting until it, like fast like speeds up.
And we can see the airport's bus over there.
There's another one landing! Look! You can actually
Wait 1 second, why is that Loganair? The Loganair is coming off the runway and it's going to take off all over again just because there's a plane landing. So that was just went onto the runway and now it's going away again. So I don't know what's happening to
It
it.
is a Ryanair from Venice to Edinburgh.
Is that landing just now? Oh right, there is a plane taking off.
The Loganair is finally going to take off, and here it is. It's just taking off super fast because it.
No, it's not a Loganair. It's not a Loganair. Yeah, it is a Loganair. I think I can see at the edges. It might not be Loganair.
Oh, that's
a private jet. It's a private jet.
Oh yeah, that is a private jet.
Where's it off to, Owen? Do you know? No, it's Loganair. For goodness sake.
Loganair. That looks like a private jet.
Yeah, and that's off to Stornoway. There's a Ryanair Boeing 737-800 landing from Venice.
Yes, ready.
Wait a sec, I'm trying to get this plane. Alright, so here comes the
Ryanair with a big, massive, hard landing, I think.
Nope.
Yeah, dush!
Yeah, because it left so much mark.
Dush,
And
dush,
there's
dush.
the British Airways going off to
London Heathrow.
London Heathrow Airport.
What a noise that plane makes.
Is there another train?
What eyes do you make Ryanair? That's what they call in pilot training flight simulator. That video will be recorded on Tuesday.
What is it?
It's Ryanair, but it's Ryanair in pilot training flight simulator.
Oh wait! Is that the HST just went off? There was an HST.
Why does a Loganair?
Oh! There's another train! Is there? Yeah, there was a HST going that way.
And then a 170 going that way. Wonder where they're off to.
There's the British Airways.
All right, the British Airways Airbus A320-200 is now taking off to London Heathrow. The 14:45 departure. Here it goes.
The British Airways going off to London Heathrow. This is very good. Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Alright, that's enough.
There it goes.
There's another plane.
It's a Jet 2 one. Or is it EasyJet or Ryanair?
It's trailing behind. It's a Jet 2 from Rome to Edinburgh.
Jet 2 is now landing a Boeing 737-800 from Rome in the grey livery as usual.
Red and grey.
Yeah, the grey livery, not the sun livery. The sun's on it. Jet2 Holidays. This is jet2go.com, not Jet2 Holidays. Jet2 Holidays have some other planes, including the Airbus A321. There's that Jet2 landing. Mickey and I's perfect landing, since it's a beautiful, cheap airline. But they are very, very, very good.
There's another plane. Another plane.
What's that doing, Owen?
Alright, it's enough trailing. Let's check it.
Where's that plane from?
It's an EasyJet. A320-200 from
Where did that other plane go before the
to Edinburgh.
Oh, and where did that other plane go from? The other plane before the British Airways.
Yeah, that's jet2.com. That's jet2.com.
Welcome aboard our Boeing 737-800. It's very important, so please remove any headphones and listen carefully. In the seat pocket in front of you, you'll find the safety instruction cards. Blah, 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 blah.
That's what they do for the 737. Boeing 737.
Yeah, for the safety instructions. Oh, right. There's a Ryanair there's an EasyJet or Ryanair plane landing, but it looks like EasyJet to be Because I can see it's up. Where's it going? Where's it going from, Owen?
I forgot, but it was going from somewhere from Rome, I think.
A nice smooth landing. It's certainly not from Rome.
Jettube.com was from Rome.
Where was that plane actually
I don't
from?
know. I'll check.
Check when that plane gets off the runway.
Yeah. Oh, look, there's another one as well. What's that one doing? Look, there's like 3 planes right in the back of each other landing.
You've already said that, Owen.
Alright, let me, flight radar 24 live.
Perfect, Owen.
I'm gonna actually get the,
Yeah,
thank you.
just go onto the app, for goodness sake. And tell me where this stupid EasyJet's from.
Where's Edinburgh?
Just up there.
Middlesbrough.
There goes the Perth train over there, with 2158s working it. Oh right, we've got a Ryanair taking off. Is it going to Porto, Owen? Porto Rosso.
And there's a Ryanair coming in. This is a Boeing 737 off to Porto.
Is it a Boeing 737-800 going to Porto? Good.
Yeah, look, it is. Look, you can actually tell. Because the 747 is flight training.
Yeah, it's an 800. What's that Max 8? I don't know. Alright, last arrival, I think, of the day will be a Ryanair Boeing 737-800 douching in from Belfast this time.
Last one, I think we might go in a minute.
And then we'll have to go and get the bus because you have to be back at the Gale for 3:45.
Yeah, this was. Oh, look, there's a train.
Yeah, 170. Do you know where? Porto Rosso. Yeah, that's in the Luca movie.
It's somewhere in Italy.
Yeah, it's in Italy. So I think that might be the same Porto
Oh, look,
Rosso.
the car's racing.
Or it might just be another Porto.
The car is racing the plane.
A nice cam aircraft to finish it off.
Yeah, and they also might have a departure.
But I don't think we will because we'll have to head down and then we'll probably see that we'll probably not see that landing going in.
Yeah, and there might be another plane going off. Alright, let's have a look on flight radar. There's another one coming. And it's a Loganair from Exeter to Edinburgh.
Exeter. That's an ATR 72.
Yeah. Yep, it is an ATR 72.
And there's that Loganair ATR 72 just landing in from Exeter. But anyways, what we're going to do now is we're going to head down as we're going to catch the bus back. Enjoy the short clip until we get to maybe our Gale, wherever we're going.
We might not get the 902 because it only comes like every 2 hours.
1 hour. There comes that ATR 72 landing.
That is so.
By Loganair from Exeter.
So what's next week?
Next week we're not meeting Owen because your Andy's going to Belfast.
No.
No, he's not going to Belfast. He's going to Blackpool. Silly
but
me.
what is running?
Enough running. Yes, Owen. Oh, hello, EasyJet. Where are you off to? It's going to Gatwick. Yeah, it's off to Gatwick. An A319. Off to Gatwick. Another EasyJet. Where's it off to, Owen? Where's it off to, Owen? Where's it off to? Not Gatwick. That was the last one. Just check flight radar for goodness sake. That one was going to London Gatwick. I don't know where the other one's going to. Probably Belfast, I think. That was actually an A320 200 off to Birmingham, not an A319.
Yeah.
Alright, I will stop speaking until we get to the end of the video. There's that Loganair off to somewhere. I'll put it in the description where it's off to, but it's running late.
Yeah, I'll put it into the description.
Yes?
There's a TBN8 Going from Dundee to Belfast. Look.
Where?
That one.
Look. That is cool.
Airports. Exciting.
Right. Let's keep going first. Keep going first. Sorry. Schade, się chodzi. A nie.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright guys, we are now here at Maybury Road, which means it's time to end the video. I want to say thank you so much for watching. Really did you enjoy? Like, subscribe, comments down below, and we'll see you in the next episode guys. Goodbye guys! See